Hi second graders, Miss Diorio here from Citizenship Academy with your next math lesson. So today we're going to build on what we did yesterday. Remember yesterday we were working with those multiples of 10 and taking 10 from them and then solving that way. Today we're going to work with numbers between 0 and 20. So I'm going to show you the exit ticket and see what I mean. We're going to use the same strategy, but instead of doing those numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, those numbers, we're going to be using numbers between 1 and 20. So like 11, 13, 14, so on and so forth. Same strategy. We're going to go over how to do that. So we're going to start today reviewing what we did yesterday. So I'm going to show you a number and I want you to solve it using the take out 10 strategy. So you're going to make that number bond, show me the 10 fact, and then add in your extras. So let's do the first one together. So your first problem is going to be 30 minus 7. So go ahead and write 30 minus 7 on your paper, whatever you have in front of you. Now, first step is to break apart the 30 and take out 10. So one of your parts is going to be 10. I'm going to write it on this side actually because it's a little bit easier. What's your other part going to be? The screen kind of tells you. Going to be 20. So we made our number bond. Our next step is to use our 10 and use that take out 10 strategy. So we're going to do 10 minus 7 equals, and we know those facts. We're making it easy for ourselves. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Now we just have to add in that extra fact. So we're going to do 20 plus 3 equals 23. So remember, first step, take out 10 from your big number. Do your easy 10 subtraction fact. And then you add your answer into your extra number. Okay? So next one, try it on your own. Pause the video. Try it on your own. Unpause when you're ready. Ready? Okay. So we're going to break down our multiple of 10. It's going to be taking out 10 is 10 and 30 are two parts. Now we're going to take 10 minus 7 to get our easy fact. Equals 3, and then we have to add in our extra. 30 plus 3 equals 33. Thumbs up if you got it. If you didn't, that's all right. We're going to do another one. All right, try this one. 50 minus 5. Be careful with the 5. It's okay. Same strategy. Pause the video and solve on your own. Ready? Okay, so we're going to break apart the 50. We're going to take out 10, so we have 10 and 40. Now we need to do our 10 subtraction fact. So we're going to take 10 minus 5 equals 5. Easy fact. Then we got to add in our extra. 40 plus 5, 45. Got it? Let's do another one just to be sure. All right, try this one. Pause the video, unpause when you're ready. Okay, same idea. We're going to take 10 from 70 and break that 70 down into 10 and 60. Now we're going to use our 10 minus 5. We know that fact. 10 minus 5 is 5. Add in our extra 60 to get 65. 80 minus 8. Pause the video. Solve on your own. Ready? We're going to take from 10. Take 10 from the 80. And then we have 70. Those are the two parts of our number bond. Then we're going to do 10 minus 8. Solve that for 2. We know that fact. Easy peasy. Then we're going to take our 2 plus our extra 70, get 72. Awesome job. We're going to skip that one. And we're going to move on. What is this? You guys know this fact, right? We know it off the top of our heads. We can scoop up 9 and add on, or we can draw a picture, cross off 9, and we get 1 left over. 10 minus 9 equals 1. We're going to staple this fact in our brain because we're going to use this fact to solve for ones that we don't. Remember today we're not using multiples of 10. We're using facts between 20. Okay? So, we're doing the same thing as we did with multiples of 10. Whatever number is here, whatever your bigger number is, you're going to pull out 10. You're going to take 10 because we know those 10 facts. So you're going to take out 10. And then we're going to do that 10 minus 9 fact, or whatever number is here, because we know those 10 facts off the top of our heads. Easy. So we have our 10 minus 9 fact, and you guys know that's 1. We did that here, right? We know that's 1. And then we're going to take that 1 and add it to our extra, just like we did with the multiples of 10. So now we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now this picture here is showing you that. This picture is the same, back up, as this picture with that 1 extra 1. Okay, this is 11, this is 10. So we just got to add that extra 1 in, and we still get the same answer. So when we take out a 10, it's much easier for us to solve because we can just add those extra 1s in. So let's try this next one together. Okay, we're going to do 12 minus 9. We're going to take 10 out of 12. As you can see from this picture, we have a group of 10 and our extra 2 1s. Group of 10, extra 2 1s. We're going to subtract 9 from the 10 because we know that fact. Subtract 9 from the 10, and we get 1 left over. Now we just need to add our extra 2 1s in as seen in our number bond, and we get our answer. Sound good? All right, try this one on your own. Pause the video, follow the steps. Try it on your own. Okay, let's see how you did. So again, we're going to take our bigger number here, and we're going to take out 10. So we took out 10, and we have 2 extra 1s after that. So now we're going to do our 10s fact here. 10 minus 8, we know, easy peasy, is 2. Now we just need to add in those extra 1s, which are right here. So we're going to take the 2 plus 2 and get 4. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Awesome. Try this one on your own. Pause the video, unpause when you're done. Ready? Okay. Same thing with 11. We take out the 10. So we know 11 is 10 plus 1 extra 1. So we're going to solve for the fact, the fast fact we know, 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then we got to add in that extra 1 and get 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. Again, try this one on your own. Pause, unpause when you're done. Ready? Okay, so we're going to break apart 13. Take out 10. We know there's 1 10 in 13, so there's our 10. And then we have 3 extra 1s. Now we're going to solve 10 minus 6. Solve for those 10 facts first. 10 minus 6 is 4. And then we still have this to add in. 3 plus 4 is 7. Awesome. We're going to skip that one. All right, let's get into a word problem because you're going to see a word problem in your exit ticket today. I'm going to read it to you, and then I want you to pause and try and solve on your own. Then we'll go over it. So our problem today says, Ricardo gave 5 tacos to his sister. He started with 13. How many tacos does Ricardo have left? Before you start solving, are we adding or are we subtracting based on the question? How many tacos does Ricardo have left? So to me, the saying, how many does he have left, is telling me that he gave some away. So I'm going to know that I'm going to need to subtract. So go ahead and solve this problem the way we've been doing it with the take from 10 strategy. Pause the video and solve. Ready? Okay. So I know we're subtracting, so I'm going to subtract the 13 from the 5. Okay? Now, if I'm going to do the take from 10 strategy, I'm going to do 13 minus 5. And I'm going to break the 13 down into a group of 10 because I know 13 has 1 10 and my extra 1s. Then I'm going to subtract my 10 fact. 10 minus 5 equals 5. And then take my 5 and add in my extra 3. Oops. Equals 5 plus 3 equals 8. We have 8 tacos left. You could also draw a picture if that's easier for you to understand. And that's what they did for this one. Okay, for your problem set today, for your exit ticket today, I want you to try and solve it using the take from 10 strategy. So you're going to have problems right here. You have 5 take from 10 strategy problems and 2 word problems. Read the word problems all the way through. Decide if you're adding or subtracting based on what they're asking. And then solve using the take from 10 strategy. All right. You're just going to type your answers in as usual, hit submit, and you're good to go. Good job today, guys.